Hello and welcome again to the Hindi classes. So let's start our today's session and see what we have today. Okay. In previous classes we had learned like colors name. This is colors name, fruits name, and today we have vegetables name. So what we call vegetable in Hindi? Vegetable means in Hindi it is sabji. What it is? Sabji. This is here. Sabji. Sabji. This is the Hindi spelling of sabji in Hindi. Okay. Vegetable means sabji. So there are some vegetables name like what we use in our daily life. So you should know the vegetables name in Hindi and how we will pronounce those names. Okay. So ginger means adrak. Ginger means adrak. Adrak. Ginger means adrak. Garlic means lehsun. Garlic means lehsun. Garlic means lehsun. I hope these images are clearly visible to you because I have taken this picture from the Google. So please adjust and let's see what it is. It is lady finger. It is lady finger, and lady finger means in Hindi it is bhindi. Bhindi. Lady finger means bhindi. Bhindi. Lady finger means bhindi. Onion. Onion means pyaj. Onion means pyaj. This is pyaj. Pyaj. Onion means pyaj. Green chili. This is green chili, and green chili in Hindi it is hari mirch. Remember I had told you colors name. Okay. So what is the Hindi meaning of green? It is hara. You remember that? So green means hara. So chili, and chili means mirch. Chili means mirch. The Hindi meaning of chili is mirch. Okay. So together it is green chili, and green chili in Hindi it is called hari mirch. Green means hara. So from hara to hari, this become hari, and chili means mirch. So green chili means hari mirch. Hari mirch. Spinach. Spinach means palak. Spinach means palak. Pa-lak. Pa will be high like double A, like pa, and lak, palak. Bottle gourd. Bottle gourd means Loki. 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 In the Avengers series, I think the Thor brother's name is Loki. So you can remember that. You can remember easily from that. So bottle gourd means Loki. Loki. But Thor's brother name is Loki, I think, if I'm right. So okay, this is Loki. Okay. Lemon means nimbu. I had told you yesterday in the that's fruit's name. So lemon means nimbu. Lemon means nimbu. Ginger means adrak. Ginger means adrak. Garlic means lehsun. Garlic means lehsun. Lady finger means bhindi. Lady finger means bhindi. Onion means pyaj. Onion means pyaj. Green chili means hari mirch. Green chili means hari mirch. Spinach means palak. Spinach means palak. Bottle gourd means Loki. Lemon means nimbu. Lemon means nimbu. So these are some more vegetables name like tomato. Tomato means tomato. Tomato means tomato. Tomato means tomato. Potato means aloo. Potato means aloo. This is easy. Potato means aloo. Cauliflower. This is cauliflower, and cauliflower means gobi. Cauliflower means gobi. Onion. Onion means pyaj. Brinjal. Brinjal means bagan. Remember I had told you in the color section like violet and purple. The meaning of violet and purple is bagni. So bagni comes from this bagan because the bagan is in which color, like violet or purple. So bagni comes from bagan. Okay. So brinjal means bagan. Brinjal means bagan. Carrot means gajar. Carrot means gajar. Carrot means gajar. Green peas means matar. Green peas means matar. Matar. Turnip. Turnip means shalgam. Turnip means shalgam. Turnip means shalgam. So here tomato means tomato. Potato means aloo. Cauliflower means gobi. Onion means pyaj. Brinjal means bagan. Carrot means gajar. Green peas means matar. Matar. Turnip means shalgam. And next we have, okay, so these are the cereals name. Like cereals in Hindi is anaj. Anaj. The meaning of cereals in Hindi is anaj. Okay, so here are many cereals name like pulses, split beans or bean. All those things are in Hindi is dal. This is not dal. This is dal. Da will be pronounced like da. D will be pronounced like da. Okay. So dal, pulses, split beans or small little beans. Those all are under the section of the dal. Okay. So pulses means dal. And here I will tell you like the most important words like we all are used in our daily life. Like here we use rice. Rice means chawal. Chawal in Hindi. This is chawal. And wheat means गेहूं. Wheat means गेहूं. When गेहूं इसको मतलब जब पीस देते हैं चक्की पे तो ये आटा बन जाता है. आटा in English like flour. Okay. So wheat means गेहूं. Wheat means गेहूं. Corn or maize. Corn or maize means मक्की या मकाई. मक्की या मकाई. Barley means जौ. Barley means जौ. Barley means जौ. And here, okay, flattened rice means poha. Flattened rice means poha. Flattened rice means poha. The most favorite breakfast in our Indian society. Like flattened rice means poha. And here sago. Sago means sabudana. Sago means sabudana. All purpose flours like maida. Maida in Hindi. Maida. Whole wheat flour. I told you atta. Wheat flour, atta. Wheat flour, atta. Rice flour, chawal ka atta. Gram flour. Gram means chana. Gram means chana. Here I think it is written. Okay, gram means not written, so that's all right. I told you like gram means chana. And flour means the main word here is flour. So flour means atta, and when you join ahead some grains name like rice flour or gram flour or corn flour, this will become like chawal ka atta, gram ka chane ka atta or besan, or corn flour means makkai ka atta. Okay, so peas means matar, I had told you, and which is the most important. Okay, I think this is all. And so remember, this is pulse. So small beans or like small beans or pulses, this is all under the dal category. So pulses is split beans. This is what is called in Hindi is dal. And next is rice. Rice is important because we use in our daily life. Like rice means chawal, wheat means gehu, and remember the flour word. Flour word means atta. So when it joins, in the language, when it join ahead of something cereals, then it becomes like rice flour or gram flour or corn flour. So it will become like rice means chawal ka atta, gram flour means besan or chane ka atta, corn flour means makkai ka atta. Okay, here is the second word, like important word, barley. barley means jo, and corn or maize means makki ya makai. Okay, so mark this word and revise all those words. Revise only on those words. Okay, next we have spices name. Spices mean in Hindi is masale. So spices in Hindi is masale. Masale is the plural form, but if you use in the singular form, then you can use like masala. Masala. Okay, spices means masale, or in the singular form you can use like masala. Masala. So here cloves. Cloves in Hindi is long. Long. Cloves in Hindi is long. Black peppercorns in Hindi is kali mirch. Black means kala. I told you yesterday. So it will become kali mirch. Okay. Green means, sorry, green cardamom means choti ilaichi. Here ilaichi is the meaning of cardamom. Okay. So here you can also see the cardamom in Hindi is ilaichi. So I am telling you like cardamom in Hindi is ilaichi. So green cardamom in Hindi is choti ilaichi. Okay. Black cardamom in Hindi is badi ilaichi. Okay. So choti in English it is called small or little. So little or small meaning in Hindi is choti. This means little ilaichi or little cardamom. You can relate that. And black cardamom is badi ilaichi. So badi in English it is big. Okay. So big in Hindi is badi, and little or small in Hindi is chota ya choti. Okay. So this is green cardamom, it is choti ilaichi. Black cardamom, it is badi ilaichi. You can easily understand with the picture, like this is small and this is big. Okay. Here dried red chili. Dry means sukha. Dry means sukha. Red means lal. Chili means mirch. Okay. So dried red chili, it is sukhi lal mirch. This is bay leaf. Bay leaf in Hindi is tej patta. Bay leaf in Hindi is tej patta. The most important spices. Bay leaf, tej patta. This is here cinnamon stick, which is called in Hindi is dal chini. What it is? Dal chini. Mac. Mac in Hindi is javitri. Javitri. Nutmeg. Nutmeg in Hindi is jaifal. Jaifal. Star anise. Star anise in Hindi is chakra phul. Chakra phul. This is chakra and this is phul. Chakra phul. Rock flower in Hindi is pathar phul. Pathar phul. Pathar phul. Rock flower in Hindi is pathar phul. Okay. So these are the spices name in Hindi, and what we had learned today, like vegetables name and the spices name. Okay. So in the next class we will learn animals name and birds name and the miscellaneous thing. Okay. So this is all for today, and keep practicing, keep learning, and thank you for the Hindi classes. Okay. So let's end here today's class, and we will meet in the next class. Thank you. Thank you so much.